In today's video, we are going to make meat pie. We call it Nigerian meat pie. These are the ingredients that we're going to use. And if you like what you're seeing, follow me. Let me show you how you can make this thick, crunchy, and delicious meat pie. As you can see it in the video. I will be listing the ingredients and the measurement as well. We'll be using 10 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients together after adding them. Mix it properly. Then make a hole in the middle and put the butter, that is the margarine. We are going to use 750 grams of margarine. So I prefer using my hand because my hand gives me a better result than any other tools. Just wash your hand properly, clean, and we are good to go. Mix very well until you get this type of texture. You know, all the mixing is now that you can mix it. When it is already in dough, you don't overwork the dough. Four teaspoons of vegetable oil. You can as well use olive oil if you prefer to use that. After mixing that, you add 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. It's a good secret for your meat pie. It will give it that texture that you so much desire in your meat pie. And 1 cup of water, cold water. When I mean cold water, water from the fridge must be cold for you to get a good result. After adding the water, you transfer it to a working space in order to form a dough, and you don't have to overwork the dough. Just fold in. After folding in, when it has already formed a dough, you cut it into 4 equal parts. Put inside, flatten it and put inside a container, cover it tight and put in the fridge for 30 to 45 minutes. You can as well use nylon bag to do that. Next step is to prepare the filling. This filling we are going to prepare, I will use it for another batch, like this exact amount of dough as well. I will still use it for it. So let's go there. Inside a clean, dry frying pan, put 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Spread it all over the pan. Add 1 sliced white onion inside the hot oil. Stir fry it until it turns golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon of curry and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Then 1 seasoning cube, depending on the one you're using. I'm using a bigger cube. Add your sliced pepper as well. You can skip the pepper if you don't like pepper in your food. You can skip that. It's optional. Add 1 powdered chicken stock sachet and mix together. Add your processed meat. You can use your blender. You can as well cut it by hand by cutting it to smaller pieces. But if you're using blender, you don't blend it to paste, you just mash it. You can as well use a food processor, and we are using 1.5 kg of mashed protein. That is the meat. You can as well use chicken if you prefer. As I earlier mentioned, this filling we are making is for 2 batch of this meat pie. Like, I'm going to still use this filling for another dough, this particular size of dough, and it will remain a bit, but not much. You stir fry it until it turns brown like this. Then add water. Add 1 cup of water into it. Add the sliced Irish potato. We are using Irish potato, and it's 4 medium sizes that we are using. Mix and add the Carrots, the sliced carrots. Your carrots should be lesser than the Irish potato. Should be a bit smaller than the Irish potato. We're using 4 here. Add the mixture of cornstarch or the flour 40 bs mixed with 1 cup of water. Add it, mix properly, then add 1 cup of water into it and allow it to cook until almost soft. Bring it down and cool it. Allow it to cook properly before using it for your dough. Bring out the dough from the fridge and fold together. Then start cutting. Cut according to the size of the mold, the meat pie mold that you will use. If it's a bigger mold, you cut it a bit bigger in order to get a thick meat pie. I prefer my meat pie being thick instead of thin. After cutting it, you put it back inside the bowl and cover it so that it will not dry up for easy work. Then it is now time to shape it, to give it that meat pie shape by using your mold. You now bring one, spread your flour on your working space, use rolling pin to roll it out, and then use the back of your mold to cut it. We'll be demonstrating with smaller mold first. You cut it this way, then place on top of it, on top of the mold. Use your fingertips to spread it to the edge of the mold. Then add your filling and fold it. Voila, you already have a meat pie ready to enter the oven. This is it. You fill it this way. And then mold it like this. Just bring it together. Voila, you have the shape. Then we'll be demonstrating with a bigger mold as well. This is the bigger mold. You do the same. Welcome to my channel. My name is Gloria. If you are getting value from this video, please help us to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to get a notification when we post our latest videos. You can as well use another method by using this bigger mold to cut it out and put on top of a smaller mold like this. You cut it out and use a smaller mold like this. This is a medium size mold. You now add your filling, you fold and remove the excess, remove the extra. Repeat the same process until you are done molding your meat pie. Then bring 1 egg, mix properly, and use it to wash the top of your meat pie in order to make it look fine. And you will see there is a kind of break on top of it. This is what is giving it those look. Then you use your fork to perforate like 3 or 4 different places on top of it like this. Use it to perforate it. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1. Put in the oven for 45 minutes. Voila, our meat pie is ready. Look at it. This is looking good and is also tasting great. Just watch this out. This is the best recipe you can ever imagine. This is the best recipe. Please help us to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share, like, comment. Thank you for watching and always come back. Always come back, always come back. We need you. Thank you, thank you. Bye. See you in our next video.